What is hurricanes?
Hurricanes are massive storm systems that form over warm ocean waters and move toward land. Potential threats from hurricanes include powerful winds, heavy rainfall, storm surges, coastal and inland flooding, rip currents, tornadoes, and landslides. The Atlantic hurricane season is the period in a year, from June 1 through November 30, when tropical or subtropical cyclones are most likely to form in the North Atlantic Ocean. These dates, adopted by convention, encompass the period in each year when most tropical cyclogenesis occurs in the basin. How do hurricanes form? Warm ocean waters and thunderstorms fuel power hungry hurricanes. Hurricanes form over the ocean, often beginning as a tropical wave, a low-pressure area that moves through the moisture. Rich tropics possibly enhancing shower and thunderstorm activity.